And then I can have another counter melody here just to play around with the overall. I don't have to copy the exact same melody. It might sound a little bit too uniform. Now we can have a little creativity and just try to move up and down some different little notes here to see if we can get something that counters the layer above it right here. Try that. That one's pretty good. You know, we can just copy the. I'm not sure if it's going to work on this one. I want to kind of do a counterbalance, or sorry, a counterpart melody here. Counterpoint, I think is what it's called. Let's go down an octave here. Yeah, I kind of wanted the, I just, you know, I didn't know until I actually played around with trying to do a counter melody here, that it's kind of taken away from the main art, and I don't want them to like conflict. So let's just try something like this. Just add the layer in. And then let's try in the root note here, which would be B. Let's see what these notes are on the top. A sharp, E3, G sharp, D4. Okay, so let me try copying that. So first one is going to be A sharp, B3, G sharp 3, and then what was this last one? We can go up or down. Let's try going up. D sharp 4. All right, let's see how that sounds. All right, I gotta actually make them double time or half time. All right, there we go. Let's just try to see how it sounds. Okay, so